Good day and welcome to Akai News. I am Odumodublvck and with me is
Tamilola Paul.
The following are the top headlines on Akai News this Wednesday morning.
Ash Wednesday 2026 clerics urge faithful to embrace repentance, prayer and charity as Lenten journey begins.
Sanwo-Olu Police Care Initiative supports welfare of over 1,000 Lagos officers.
WAEC releases 2025 second series GCE private candidate results. 42.17% secured 5 credits, including English and mathematics.
2 billion naira alleged assault suit against Odumodublvck adjourned at court fixed April 8 for hearing.
Nigeria loses 1.76 trillion in revenue after missing OPEC production quota.
Now listen to the news extract from Akai News.
The parish priest of St. Peter and Paul Catholic Cathedral Church, Lagere, Ile-Ife, Reverend Father Peter Adeyemi, has called on Christians to approach the Lenten season with sincerity of heart, describing Ash Wednesday as a solemn reminder of human mortality and a renewed invitation to repentance and spiritual renewal. Delivering his 2026 Ash Wednesday homily, and the cleric explained that the season marks the beginning of a 40-day spiritual journey leading to Easter, a period set aside by the church for reflection, sacrifice, and a deeper relationship with God. He stressed that Lent should not reduce to mere abstinence from food, but should also involve conscious withdrawal from sin and habits that weaken one's faith and moral life. Akai News gathered that the homily focused on the need for inward transformation, urging worshippers to see the season as an opportunity to reassess their lives and return fully to God.
No fewer than 1,000 police officers in Lagos State have benefited from the Sanwo-Olu Police Care Initiative, a medical outreach program designed to improve the health and welfare of security personnel while strengthening the capacity of law enforcement agencies to deliver effective service. The initiative, which commenced at the police headquarters in Ikeja, provided officers with free eye screening, prescription glasses, and general medical checks. The infection forms part of ongoing efforts by the Lagos State government to prioritize the well-being of frontline workers responsible for maintaining law and order across the state. Akai News gathered that the programming reflects a broader strategy by the state government to strengthen institutions charged with protecting life and property by ensuring the personnel remain medically fit and operationally effective.
The West African Examinations Council has released the results of the 2025 second series computer-based West African Senior School Certificate Examination for private candidates, revealing that 42.17% of candidates obtained 5 credits and above, including English language and mathematics. In a statement issued from the Council National Office in Lagos, the acting head of public affairs, Moyosola Adeshino, disclosed that candidates can access their results through the Council result checking platform before proceeding to the digital certificate platform to obtain their certificates. Akai News gathered that candidates requiring physical certificates have also been advised to apply through the WAEC certificates request portal, known as eSetman, as part of ongoing efforts by the examination body to modernize its certification process and improve service delivery.
The Federal Capital Territory High Court has adjourned the 2 billion naira alleged assault and battery suit filed against Nigerian rapper Odumodublvck, whose real name is Tochukwu Oguwo, to April 8, 2026. The following court inability to sit at its life camp division in Abuja due to ongoing renovation work. Akai News gathered that the adjournment was necessitated by infrastructural upgrades within the courtroom facility, which temporarily affected proceedings. Despite the development, legal representatives for both parties were present and agreed on a new date considered suitable for the commencement of hearing. Counsel to the claimant, Uchenna Ogembe, and counsel to the defendant, Taiwo Akinsule, reportedly expressed readiness to proceed once the court resumes full sitting.
Nigeria's oil sector reportedly lost an estimated 1.76 trillion naira in potential crude oil revenue after failing to meet the production quota set by the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC). Between January 2025 and January 2026, industry data shows that the shortfall was a result of repeated months of underproduction, despite global crude prices remaining relatively strong during the period. Akahi News gathered that the Nigeria Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission (NUPRC) reported that the country's crude output fell below the OPEC quota of 1.5 million barrels per day for 9 months in 2025 and again in the first month of 2026. Production exceeded in quota in January, June, and July 2025, but output fell short in February, March, April, May, August, September, October, November, and December. The largest deficit was recorded in September 2025, when production averaged only 1.39 million barrels per day, representing a shortfall of approximately 110,000 barrels daily.